Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can easily add a hyperlink to your Weebly website. Whether you want to link it to another page or an external site, we have got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And once you are logged in, you will land on the Weebly dashboard. From there, find the website that you want to edit and simply click on the edit site option. Once you click on it, it will open the site editor. Now from there, click on the text that you want to hyperlink. When you click on it, you will get different options at the top of the text. From there, click an option which is visually representing as a chain. And once you click on it, you will get an option on how you want to hyperlink it. Whether you want an external website to be linked from it or a standard page to be linked, product page, blog post, phone number, file or email. These different options are given to you. From there, select the one that you are in need of. And once you have selected, the hyperlink will be working. And that's it. Now you know how you can hyperlink a text in the Weebly. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.